The banks may have overcharged 1.8 million people on interest on their mortgages. Today I'm going to explain what happened, why and how. And then we're going to look at a very quick way that you can check whether or not you may be affected by this. Now what happened is that ASIC did a sense check. ASIC is the regulator, checked out the banks and said, hey, there's a problem. The systems don't always link the mortgage and the offset account. Calculation in the background should have been running but wasn't across all the banks. Big impact. Now, quick reminder as to how an offset account works. That's a mortgage account. The bank will calculate very accurately what you owe them at the interest rate and how much you owe them, and they do that calculation on a daily basis. Traditionally, we've got a cash account there. Whatever money you've got in there normally earns some interest. Again, they will work that out. Now, the way that an offset account works is it will actually link those two. And for the purposes of paying interest, they're going to say, look, we're not going to pay you any interest on your cash, but we're also going to not charge you for that piece of your mortgage. So they will only calculate the interest on that piece there. But what's been missing, ASIC have found, is that link. So I'm going to show you how to do a really quick sense check. Now, squeeze it all in. Over here, I've done a basic numbered example. We've got somebody with a $500,000 mortgage and 6% interest rate. Now, what we're trying to work out is the daily cost of interest and then the monthly cost, and that's where that check comes in. So we're first going to look at it and say, right, what is the interest per day? It's pretty simple. $500,000 mortgage balance, 6%, and then we're going to divide it by 365 because 365 days in the year, and it comes out about $82 a day. There's some cents in there, but $82 a day. We're then going to say, right, are we in a 30 or 31 day month? And in this example, I've just gone backwards to June and gone, look, $82 a day, 30 days in June. We've got an interest cost of $2,465. Now, when you go into your mortgage account, having worked that number out, the very simple check is, did you have an offset account and did it have some cash in it? If it did, was your number lower than that? Because if it wasn't, you need to get a little bit more detailed in terms of how much did you have in there? How long was it in there? How was that number calculated? Get hold of your bank and check it out. Hopefully that gives you a starting point. Really simple calculation. We just got to make sure that they've got it right.